How do we dream? Sleep is an essential part of human life, and during this time, our brains remain astonishingly active. Dreams are one of the most fascinating aspects of this period, offering a window into our subconscious mind while serving important psychological and biological functions. But how exactly do we dream? And why do these nightly experiences feel so vivid and memorable? In this article, we provide a detailed exploration of the mechanisms behind dreaming, combining scientific explanations with practical insights. The scientific basis of dreaming. Dreaming begins with the brain's continued activity during sleep. Even when the body rests, neurons fire and communicate across multiple regions, creating a complex network of signals. This intense neural activity forms the foundation of dreams. Essentially, the brain is processing information, emotions, and memories, and weaving them together into the vivid experiences we perceive as dreams. Sleep stages and how dreams occur. Sleep is not a uniform state, but a series of stages, each with distinct physiological characteristics. Among these, REM, rapid eye movement, sleep stands out as the stage where dreams are most likely to occur. During REM sleep, the brain exhibits patterns of activity similar to wakefulness, preparing the mind to synthesize emotions, memories, and sensory information into coherent dream narratives. REM sleep, the stage where dreams are most intense. REM sleep is characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and temporary muscle paralysis to prevent the body from acting out dreams. It is during this stage that dreams are not only more frequent, but also exceptionally vivid. The emotional and visual intensity of REM dreams makes them more likely to be remembered upon waking. What happens in the brain during dreaming? While we dream, the brain engages in several critical functions. Emotional processing areas, memory consolidation centers, and problem-solving regions become highly active. The visual and sensory areas are stimulated as well, which is why dreams can feel extraordinarily realistic. In a sense, the brain is running a complex simulation of life, allowing us to experience scenarios that are often symbolic or imaginative. Emotional processing, the psychological role of dreams. Dreams serve as a mental space where our emotions are processed safely. Stress, fear, and joy experienced during the day are revisited and sometimes amplified in dreams, helping the brain to cope with these feelings. By simulating challenging or emotional scenarios, dreams may aid in emotional regulation and contribute to overall psychological well-being. The importance of dreams in memory and learning. Dreams play a significant role in organizing and consolidating memories. During sleep, the brain determines which information is crucial to retain and which can be discarded. This process enhances learning and skill acquisition, and in some cases, allows the brain to practice newly learned tasks or solve unresolved problems while we are asleep. The connection between the subconscious and dreams. Dreams often reflect the inner workings of the subconscious mind. Thoughts, fears, desires, and unresolved issues that we may not consciously acknowledge can appear symbolically in dreams. Understanding these symbols can provide valuable insight into our own mental and emotional state. Nightmares and the mechanism behind them. Nightmares are intense, frightening dreams that usually arise during periods of stress or emotional difficulty. The brain may use nightmares as a rehearsal space for coping with threats or danger, allowing us to face potential challenges safely in a simulated environment. Lucid dreaming, when you become aware in your dreams. Lucid dreaming occurs when the dreamer becomes aware that they are dreaming and, in some cases, can control aspects of the dream. This heightened awareness can offer both entertainment and therapeutic benefits, allowing for conscious exploration of the dream state. The relationship between dreams and brain waves. Different stages of sleep are characterized by different brain wave patterns. Dreams, particularly vivid ones, are closely associated with REM sleep and the presence of alpha and theta waves. These patterns help the brain organize experiences and generate meaningful dream content. How stress and daily life influence dreams. Our dreams are deeply affected by what happens during waking life. Stressful situations, emotional upheavals, or major life changes can manifest in dreams as recurring themes, intense imagery, or even symbolic problem solving. Dreams offer a natural outlet for processing these experiences. Visual and sensory experiences in dreams. Dreams are not purely visual. They often involve hearing, touch, and emotional sensations. Activation of sensory processing areas in the brain creates these immersive experiences, making dreams feel tangible and real. Remembering dreams and the brain's role. Dream recall depends on how the memory centers in the brain operate during and immediately after REM sleep. Dreams are most likely to be remembered if waking occurs during or shortly after a REM phase, which explains why some nights yield vivid recollections while others fade quickly. Physiological responses during dreams. During sleep, the body undergoes specific physiological changes. Heart rate and breathing patterns fluctuate, and muscles remain temporarily paralyzed to prevent physical enactment of dreams. These bodily adjustments are part of the intricate coordination between brain and body during dreaming. Dreams and creativity. Dreams offer an unrestricted playground for the brain's creative processes. By combining fragments of memory, emotion, and imagination, dreams can inspire innovative ideas, solutions to problems, and artistic expression that may not occur during waking hours. Do animals dream? Research shows that many animals experience REM sleep and exhibit dreamlike behaviors. Dogs may run in their sleep, and other mammals display movements suggesting they are engaged in dream scenarios. This indicates that dreaming is a fundamental biological process shared across species. Psychological interpretations of common dream themes. Common dream scenarios, such as falling, being chased, or missing an appointment, often symbolize underlying anxieties or fears. While interpretations vary, recurring dream patterns may reflect the emotional concerns that occupy our subconscious. Sleep disorders and the dreaming process. Sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, or narcolepsy can disrupt REM sleep, altering both the frequency and quality of dreams. Maintaining healthy sleep patterns is essential for experiencing restorative and coherent dreaming. Technology and modern life's impact on dreams. In today's digital age, exposure to screens, social media, and work-related stress can influence dream content. Many modern dreams incorporate elements of our technological and connected lives, reflecting the pervasive role of digital experiences. The significance of dreams in understanding the subconscious. Dreams offer a unique lens into our subconscious, revealing thoughts, desires, and fears that may otherwise remain hidden. Analyzing dreams can help individuals gain insight into their emotional well-being, coping strategies, and inner motivations. Dreams are far more than fleeting images at night. They are an essential part of the human experience. From emotional processing to creative inspiration, memory consolidation to subconscious exploration, dreams represent one of the most intricate and fascinating functions of the brain, giving us a nightly glimpse into the depths of our inner world.